An electric shear from the East City. The shear is disguised as a speaker, with the cutter head missing. This screw was previously quoted by you. This perimeter is not affected. The unusual noise should be coming from this needle roller. The coating is very smooth, but on closer inspection, there are no obvious wear marks. Just clean it and reapply oil. This shearing machine is now repaired. Let's power it on for a test. Huh? No battery? This shearing machine requires a particularly large starting current, and my power supply can't handle it. Let's try using the flashlight. No, it's not working. I can't do it. No need to measure it. Just take it over and use it and wait and see.